Hi, this is Karthik. I welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to use background eraser tool in Adobe Photoshop CS6. Once again, I repeat the topic, how to use background eraser tool in Adobe Photoshop CS6. In order to demonstrate the use of background eraser tool, we need to open an image. Go to File and click the option Open. The shortcut is Ctrl O. When you click the option Open, an open dialog box will pop up where you want to select the image you wish to open and click the option Open. By default, the Photoshop will create a default layer called as background layer, and the layer is locked where you can see the lock symbol. Double click the layer and provide a name to unlock the layer. I'm going to name the layer as cartoon and click OK. Next step, I'm going to create an adjustment layer with a solid color. Go to create a new fill or adjustment layer and select the option solid color and choose a solid color as you like and click OK. Now you can see the adjustment layer is on the top so that we cannot able to see the cartoon layer. Double click the adjustment layer and rename the layer as adjustment. Drag the adjustment layer to the bottom so that we can able to see the layer cartoon. Now you can see the layer cartoon is on the top and the adjustment layer is at the bottom. Go to toolbar and choose background eraser tool. The shortcut is E. Go to brush preset picker where you can find the options like size, hardness and spacing. I'm going to change the brush size to 35 pixel, hardness to 50%, and I'm not going to change the spacing value. Go to limits and select discontiguous and change the tolerance value to 21 and enable the option protect foreground color, which is used to protect the foreground color while erasing. Now you can see the mouse pointer is changed to cross symbol. It means that we are not allowed to do any operations because we are in adjustment layer. Click the layer cartoon and click on the image and start erasing the background. You can adjust brush size, tolerance and spacing based on your requirement. Repeat the process of erasing until you can see the adjustment layer clearly. Ensure that you erase the background properly. Uncheck the layer visibility of adjustment layer so that you can see the transparent image of cartoon layer. Now we have completed the task of erasing the background, and now it's a time to save the output. Go to File and click the option Save As. When you click the option Save As dialog box will pop up. Provide a name and click the Save button and click OK. Again, go to File and click the option Save As. This time we are going to save the file as JPEG file. Go to Format and choose JPEG. Provide a file name and click the Save button. When you click the Save button, JPEG options pops up. Save the quality to maximum and click OK. Now we completed the task. If you like this video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all in the next video.